Welcome again to the computer class, and today in this class we are going to read about the setting up of multiple worksheets. Setting up multiple worksheets. As you know that whenever you open a new workbook, by default there are 3 sheets, as you can see here: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So suppose you need one more sheet, then what should you do? In such a case, you are just seeing that after the sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, there is a space. Simply hit upon this space, click upon this space like this, and you will get a dialog box. Now see what's written over here. There are two options. First of all, about the position. Do you want to place this new sheet before the current sheet? Now let us first decide which one is the current sheet. You can see here, this is over here, it is showing 1 of 3, means sheet 1 of 3 is active, and if you choose this option, the new sheet will come before sheet 1. So if you opt for before current sheet, the new sheet will come before sheet 1. Let us see it practically. So let it be before current sheet. You are going to insert one sheet only, and there is an option to rename it. So suppose it's written sheet 4, but if you want to rename it, you can simply select it or use backspace and write your whatever name you wish for the current sheet. So I will make it as new worksheet. I am going to write new sheet only, new sheet, and just click OK. So here you can see now this new sheet has come just before sheet 1. Now suppose you have pressed Ctrl Z and it has come to the previous form. So now we'll try to create the new sheet after first sheet or after second sheet. Then what shall we do? So first of all, you will have to cancel it and press the sheet 3 so that it becomes active, because it is obvious that if you have used all these 3 sheets, then only we'll need a new sheet. So after pressing this sheet 3 or making this active, now we'll press or click upon this blank space. Now again the dialog box has come. Now you can click upon after current sheet. Let the number of sheets be 1 and we'll rename it. For renaming it, we will write the new worksheet, new sheet, and simply press upon OK. Here the new sheet comes after the sheet 3. There is one more way to place this new sheet, and you can do it simply by holding the new sheet and dragging it to the place you wish to use it. Suppose I have just hold it by pressing the left key of the mouse and dragging it. Now you can see there are little arrow marks which shows that this new sheet is going to come between the sheet 2 and sheet 3. If you wish to keep it between sheet 1 and sheet 2, just move towards left and release the button. Now here you can see this new sheet has come between sheet 1 and sheet 2. So in this way we can name the new sheet and place it wherever we wish. So at present we are going to use it after the sheet 3. So we will drag it again and place it after sheet 3. Here it comes. So these were the steps to name the new sheet, insert new sheet, and place it at the place you wish. Now again the next thing. Suppose now you have named it as new sheet and you wish to name this sheet also, rename this sheet. Then what should you do? Simply click upon it. As you click or right click upon it, you will get the option rename sheet. So press it, and there is one more way. I will show you that one way also. Double click upon it. As you double click upon it, here comes the renaming the sheet. So now you can rename it. Suppose I want to rename it as cell reference. Cell reference, cell reference, and just click OK. So the sheet has now been renamed as cell reference. So we can rename using either of the two ways, either double clicking upon it or simply right click upon it. In the several other options, you will get one option, that rename sheet, and you will have to do the same thing again. So these are the two ways how we can rename a new sheet. So these were the things that I had to teach in this recording. I hope you will all watch it and try to understand it. So that's all for this video. In the next video. Thank you for watching.